When you open it, you see the first box. This is the box on top. It's nice texture. Dead cat, it's another word for it. Are you one of those people who like to figure things out intuitively by how the product is, or do you just go straight to the instructions? It's a quick start guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing for you, and to be honest, there's been a long list of things that I actually have needed to upgrade, I've needed to buy, I've needed to actually implement into content creation, into just my kit, because I've just not really upgraded it for a long time. I tried buying this viral sensation of a microphone from TikTok. I didn't buy it from TikTok, I got it off Amazon, but everybody was raving about this microphone. And I was like, okay, it's great that it's a microphone. I really love the fact that you're miking up and it's making a bit of a difference to using your built-in microphone like on your smartphone. But to me, the quality just wasn't all the way up there. It was cool. It gave you the advantage of being mic'd up even at distances. And I think I paid about £20 or £22 for that microphone, but I sent it back just because I was just like, it's not the greatest of mics. I probably could have kept it just as like a backup microphone and just not to have to use a wire lavalier microphone like I'm using right now. This is what I'm using right now. I've had this for years. I've literally had this microphone for like 7 or 8 years. It is an IRig microphone that I paid about £40 for. I also got it from Amazon. And so this is the audio that you're actually listening to right now. I have not used this even as often as I would have liked to, but I recently started using it on Amuna Foods, which is another channel that I have with my mum that I work on quite a lot. She does most of the cooking. I do the filming basically. And if you go over there, you'll see me. I presented a couple of things, but I edit and upload. I do everything for that channel, but I work in collaboration with my mum. So she actually does most of the cooking. I think I've done one recipe on that channel, which was the lasagna. And after that, I've just been all about the editing and the video production and the uploading and posting, etc. So we recently decided to start a series, just kind of like an out and about series, where we kind of show people the best of different types of foods, basically how to select the best products. And we were mic'd up. I needed a microphone before that. A month or so ago, this was all I had, this lavalier microphone. So, you know, I put it to good use. And sorry for the story, but I just kind of leading it up to why I actually bought this. But you know, it's just not cool, not the coolest thing having a wire kind of in front of you, you know, when these days you can get decent priced wireless microphones, Bluetooth wireless microphones. I could have easily have gone for a cheaper brand, like can't really specify any specific brand, but there are so many options on Amazon. It's so difficult to know which one exactly to go for. But I kind of thought, you know, it's been a long time. It's time for me to invest in something really nice and something good quality, just something reliable. And I just felt as if I could put my trust in this product. So I just thought, let me just invest in this product. It's a DJI mic, and it's not the latest one. It is one generation back. This is the original DJI mic, Bluetooth microphone with 2 receivers. Let's just get straight into it. Yeah, I just wanted to get something which was nice quality, would produce really beautiful sound when in use. So I just decided to go for this. Yes, I'm still using this for now as I'm making this video, but we're going to see how this sounds. But I am recording on my phone. That's even more reason to test it out, isn't it? But hopefully there's battery in this. Let's see. And then we can compare. But guys, there are so many options on the market. It's just a case of if you feel like this would be a good option for you. For me, I felt like this was good because it just meant that, you know, I can use it on my phone. I can use it on my action cam. I can use it on my DSLR. You know, it was just like something that I felt could be really amazingly good, multi-purpose. So yes, this is the box. This is the box. And then of course, this is the seal. So yeah, if you're looking to get the next generation, so the DJI Mic 2, it is going to be pricier, but that's for you to decide if you want to spend more money. I felt like I was happy to get this, so I got this. If you want to get the latest, you know, you can also do that. But this, I was happy with this, so let's just see how it is. Let's just see how it is and test it out. You open the box and it shows you everything that's inside the box. So there's a charging case, there's a receiver. So the receiver is the bit that you stick inside your camera. There's 2 transmitters. So the transmitter is what you would basically call the microphones. There's carrying pouch, hot shoe, windscreen, 2 windscreens actually. There's a mobile phone adapter for lightning. That's the one I need. And then there's also for Type-C. Those are for people who have like iPhone 15 and beyond. And they have the camera audio cable, instruction manual, clip, magnet. So DJI is really leaning into the magnet function. And they also have a charging cable. When you open it, you see the first box. This is the box on top. And then, oh, this is pretty. It's nice texture. So you have the pouch. What's inside? I can't take it out. Oh, yes, the mufflers. What do they call this? Windscreen. Yeah, the windscreen things. Well, dead cat. It's another word for it. 2 dead cats or 2 windscreen protectors. And of course, your USB-C charger. I think this is to charge the whole thing. So this is to charge the whole thing. And then of course you have, what is this for? This is the camera audio cable. I guess that's for when you want to just connect it to your camera. And then you have your instructions. You have also here product manual. Oh, that's cute. I want to open it. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are, what are these stickers? Okay, these are just stickers. I thought it was like them advertising more products because I could see a drone, I could see other stuff, but it's literally just stickers. They're like loads of stickers. That is actually really cool. Okay, I'm gonna keep that there. Let's put it back in. So yeah, I'll just leave that there. Put all this back inside. And then of course, the actual product itself. It comes with this kind of translucent wrapping. You just have to push it out. Push it out, and then just open it up. Ooh, pretty. There it is, and it's got this kind of ridged surface on the side. At the top it's smooth, of course, and then the logo is there, and the bottom it's got the QR code. So I probably have to register this to my name, to my account. Let me just show you what is in here one by one. So you have 2 of these. This is probably what you would put on yourself. You know, you'd clip to yourself like that. Oh, what was that? It just vibrated. That's kind of cool. So you just clip that onto yourself. Yes. And then you'd clip the receiver onto your device, your phone, your smartphone or your camera. Oh, so this is what you'd use for your camera. So you'd literally just put that here and then you clip this into your camera. All right, put that there. I just want to have everything in front of me. Just like that. This here, this is called the mobile. So it's an adapter essentially. So this is the lightning adapter. No, this is the USB-C adapter. Of course, you might not be able to see it, but that's basically the shape of it. And this is the lightning one, made to slot right into an iPhone. Perfect. And then this is a clip. This is a hot shoe. Yes. Okay. Hot shoe adapter. So if you're that means it's definitely for the receiver, but how you put it on, there's something I need to know about this. So I'm going to just look into the instructions. Are you one of those people who like to figure things out intuitively by how the product is, or do you just go straight to the instructions? I first like to scope it out and see if it just makes sense to me. And if there's something I don't understand like this, then I'll look at the instructions. So yeah, the manual's here. So it's like, that's what the manual's for. So yeah, it's a quick start guide. So let me just look inside. Sometimes I just expect products to be intuitive to the point where I don't need to look at this. But the other day I was trying to assemble my over the head, not tripod, but like arm stand, like it's like kind of like a tripod mount. No, it's like a microphone, kind of like a podcast microphone mount. So I want to use that particular arm. I've got it. I'm looking at it right now. I want to use that arm to film overhead cooking videos. on my smartphone, so I want to use it to do vertical content. So I was putting the pieces together because I already had the stand, and then I needed to order specific like bolts, screws. And so I had to go on a learning curve. Like I had to learn what female screw is or what male screw is, about the measurements from the outside, the inside. I had to learn did I order the wrong thing? No, I didn't order the wrong thing. Anyway, I had to order stuff. Yes, I had to order stuff, and I had to kind of go on a learning curve about all these different screws, because not everything is standardized measurements when it comes to tripods, when it comes to tech. Not everything is standardized. Now, a lot of things are standardized, but we've got different options, you know, like before we had the USB, the iPhone. I don't even remember what we had before Lightning. Like what did we have before Lightning? I don't think I even remember exactly what it was for iPhone. But yeah, we've got Lightning now. That's been standardized. We've got USB-C. That's been standardized. And then this, I just need to learn what it is, basically. And then I'll know. This is literally all pictures.
Adapter pieces for the DJI receiver.
I am actually completely lost with this. Oh, is it magnetic? No, it's not magnetic. I'm lost without you. Can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? Okay, I'm back. So basically how this hot shoe adapter works is, okay, I didn't realize you're supposed to fold it to a 90-degree angle, because I didn't realize it could stretch that far, because it just seems so tiny and so delicate to me. So I didn't really feel as if it could stretch that wide. So I've just seen some listing on Etsy, sorry, demonstrating how it's used on the receiver. And basically this is what you do. You just open it wide and you slide it in, like literally open it up to 90 degrees and you literally just push it in. And then I think then at that point, you can then use it. You can then put it on your hot shoe mount or your cold shoe, basically. Oh, let me set the date. It's asking me to set the date. So I'm just going to put the date in. I think it's like an American style date system. So just have to kind of flow with it. And I'm just literally swiping it. It's this tiny, tiny little interface. Just going to set the time. Wait until it gets to the next minute and then I'll press next. Yep, there, I just pressed it. The receiver, microphone is on. Both of them are on, actually. I want to turn one of them off. Actually, I'm going to put it straight back in here. That turns it off. I've put it back in there. I don't think you have to turn it off. I think it just automatically, oh no, there's a power button. Power button's there. Let's turn it off. So I'm going to put this on me. And then I'm going to take out my lavalier microphone and just quickly test it out. Okay guys, so I'm currently behind the camera. What you're hearing now is iPhone audio. I have the transmitter on my clothing and I have the receiver here. And right now I'm about to plug it in so you can hear the difference. So for the whole video, we've had this mic. Okay, I'm just switching it on. So this is the audio coming out of the microphone. I can see that it is being received because there is the green bar that's kind of going up and down and, you know, according to the sound that it receives. So yeah, it should be working. Actually, I'll admit to you, I tried recording this bit before, and when I played it back on my phone, no audio for like 5 minutes straight, no audio, but there is audio on the actual microphones. It's just not actually on my phone. And I think it's something to do with how the receiver was positioned. So do make sure, for ease of editing, for me, it's just for ease of editing. Like I don't want to have to go back, line up the audio and the video, because it seems to have recorded in one big stretch of audio in one go. And so I'm going to have to look for that particular part and then line it up with the particular part of the video. So I just decided, you know, I'm just going to redo this bit and I just won't make that mistake again. Because for me, if there's one thing I don't think I ever do. It's basically forget to check audio. Like I always check, I always do testing every single time especially when I'm using external microphones, because I know how temperamental they can be. So like I always imagine recording like a whole 4 projects or something, like, and then you realize there's no audio. So one thing I always do is I always check concerning audio. But yeah, it's something that can be easily fixed. For example, if you happen not to record on your phone, then you can always retrieve the data, the audio from the microphone itself. And what I learned just now is that the microphones don't pick up the same audio. Like I don't think the one in here is on, or I don't think it's recording. Okay, I'm not quite clued up about how this specifically works. I'm not 100% clued up. But what I can say to you is, if you're in the middle of recording, don't be opening this box up, because just as I've opened it, it's just showing that, oh, a second microphone is recording. That's why I got confused before. So just leave it on the side and just like focus on the one that you're using, and you shouldn't have an issue, because it's that automated that the moment you open this and you start playing around with it, it's like it starts recording. It's just like it's just on it, it's just that assistant that you need. But yeah, just make sure you don't play with it like in the process, because if this is working, there's no need for you to kind of be dealing with that. But what do you think about this audio compared to the lavalier microphone? And then of course the actual product itself, it comes with this kind of translucent wrapping. You just have to push it out. This is the lav mic that I was using with the lightning cable extension, so I could fit it in my phone. If I wasn't using it for my phone, I'll just use this for the DSLR. And yeah, it's the IRig mic, but as you can imagine, it's not convenient because you're limited to the length of this wire, you see. So yes, this is the DJI mic. This is the audio coming from it, and I'm sure there are so many settings to play with, but yes, this is basically it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me up until this point. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and let me know if you'd like to see any particular video with this piece of gear or any other content that you might be interested in. Okay, I live in London, as you should know. So if there's anything in particular you want to see concerning London and London travel, yeah, just let me know. Definitely be open to that. And trying out my action cam as well. Maybe I can do like a day of vlogging, testing out the DJI gear. That sounds like a good idea, doesn't it? Yeah, to me it does anyway. It sounds like a good, fun and feasible idea. So yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.